Hey buddy. Okay, so we're in the new house. It's a mess. I have a project, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing and how I'm going to do it. So this is like my first DIY video. So, yeah, let me show you what I have been doing, and then I'll show you how to do it. And yeah, we'll go from there. All the knobs have brass elements, and I'm not gonna go and buy new knobs. These are perfectly in good condition, except for it's tarnished brass, and I don't really care for that color. But in the house, we have a lot of elements of this color. So what I did is I got a spray paint, and then I spray painted the knobs. Okay, how are they not? And so what I wanted to do is I don't know if you can see that. You could see like little parts of brass here and there. Perfect, that's perfect, because in the house we have a lot of brass elements, as you can see. But there's a lot of we have a lot of black elements, or blackish brown elements. And then there's like touches of gold everywhere. And so I wanted to emulate that. So I didn't want it to be too much coverage, like a little peek through is fine. So look, these look great, brand new. The only thing that I don't like is here, I couldn't get this out. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to individually paint this. I don't know, let's see how I do it. But then again, watch, another thing that I have a problem with is here, this is completely brass. So eventually I'll have to take down all the doors and spray paint these brass parts to match these, which will be fine because eventually you'll have to paint these walls here, but I'm not gonna do all that right now. What you see the most is the handles. So the handles, you can see I did one here, are gonna be done first, and then I'll go and do everything else. So let me go show you guys how I'm changing these brass ones to the beautiful brown black. So from brass to this. Beautiful. Literally. Look at that. Looks so good. Look at that. Oh, and I love the little touches of gold. Like, looks great. So this is a good way to revamp your space without spending a lot of money. So let's get to it. Over here, this is the closet. This will be revamped at some point. I got just these. What I want to do is get an extender and then maybe put like a bench over top and then wallpaper this, and then I'll put a bench there. So let me just get up, hold on. So down here you have the shoes, so I'm gonna put a little bench over top there, okay? But then see how we have look at this. There's so much space up here, so much. So I'm gonna put this higher, maybe like here, so that you have more space to do stuff. So this will be like completely revamped. And it's gonna be wallpaper in the back, because I ain't painting all that shit. But for this guy, we wanna redo the elements. So we're just gonna unscrew this part, because this part has to be spray painted too, because you see it, right? So let me just do that, and then I'm gonna unscrew the door. Now for the fun part. I took a tarp that we bought from Home Depot. It's about, look at my toenail. It's about $8. I think this is in 8x10. I got some more cardboard. You can use cardboard, you could use newspaper, whatever, just cover it down. And I arranged the knobs how I need them to be. And now the fun part. So you're gonna take Rust-Oleum. This is the rubbed bronze or oil rubbed bronze. It's in metallic. Here, I'll put it in English so you can see. Rust-Oleum, oil rubbed bronze, metallic paint and primer. For some of them, I sanded them down and cleaned them, but some of them I didn't. And this looks really, really well. I'm gonna shake it up. I might have to go get another bottle because I've already used so many, but yep. We're gonna do a first coat, let it dry, and then do a second coat, and then maybe a third coat, so. Part. So this is still the first light spray coat. You might be wondering, why don't I just get black screws? Well, I already have these ones, so I'm just gonna use them. Spray paint them. Yeah. This is the second coat. You can see here how it's kind of pooling. That's because I went a little too heavy, so you want to be careful with that. But I just like how the bronze kind of peeks through. Love that. You can see here, second coat, looking nice. Okay guys, so that's all done. I'm gonna let them dry for 24 hours, and then tomorrow afternoon I'm gonna install them, put them back in, and that's it. My next thing will be doing the inside, so I'll have to get more spray paint for that. And then I think I might start on my closet. So that's exciting. Anyways, thanks for watching.